Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to jump a Cadillac SRX. Begin by parking the donor car close enough for cables without touching vehicles, turn off both ignitions, and set parking brakes. Always wear eye protection and avoid smoking. Connect red cable to positive terminal on the dead battery, then to donor positive. Connect black cable to donor negative, then to a grounded metal on the Cadillac away from the battery. Start donor, wait, then start Cadillac carefully. Before you begin, double-check everything for safety and readiness. Inspect battery condition, terminal cleanliness, and surrounding components for damage. Wear gloves and eye protection to prevent acid or spark injuries. Keep children and pets clear of both vehicles. Plan a clear route for cable placement so wires won't get pinched or caught when vehicles move. If the battery is cracked or leaking, do not attempt to jump and call roadside assistance. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and hit like to support more practical car tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for hands-free timers and voice prompts while you work under the hood, and it sounds surprisingly good for its size. I use one in the garage to cue each step and keep my hands free. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Follow the step-by-step procedure calmly and deliberately to avoid mistakes. After connections are secure, start the donor car and let it idle for 3 to 5 minutes to transfer charge. Attempt to start the Cadillac SRX. If it cranks slowly, wait and let the donor run a bit longer. Once started, remove clamps in reverse order, keeping the black clamp off the battery until last. Drive the SRX for 15 to 20 minutes to recharge the battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.